beautiful people. Welcome back to Paula channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. First of all, I just want to say Happy New Year. Sorry, it is 2025, and I hope you guys will enjoy your new year. And 2024 was a good year to remember, and I hope 2025 will bring you lots of good memories and good year as well. Okay, so today we're going to be doing opening Vlogmas Day 8 in my Sephora package. And I did say in a video, hopefully when I'm doing this, I might start that probably February, maybe I'll do that. Talk about respect and why is it important to show respect on my channel. Okay, just to give y'all a little idea, because like I said, I want to make sure you guys get me and you know what you should say and what you shouldn't say. It's not like say I'm saying I'm bad, but it's just we don't want no negative vibe on here, you know. And I want you guys to know you're seeing me on the internet. You don't know me, I don't know you, so we have to have a respect for each other. Okay, probably do that in February. Give you all a little more time first, okay? So let's open box number 8, okay? Alright, so box number 8. This one, you can see my finger. Okay, just gonna put it down. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a hydration. Okay, let's look at it. It's a hydration cleaning wipes. Oh my gosh. So you know, like when you wear like makeup and stuff like that. Wow. So let's see. And I thought it was a mask. So where is this here? Okay, olive oil, cleansing wipes, linen, olive oil mask. So it's just wipes. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. I thought it was like a hydration, like a mask. Okay, I like it. This is what it looks like. I don't want to open it until like when I start wearing makeup. So, and of course, it tells you things that you should not put it, or they're telling you to not throw this like in a toilet or anything. You should recycle. So anytime they show you these things, you should always follow the instructions. So, wow. Alright guys, so other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this Sephora hydration mask. And you're going to be seeing all the other ones in this month. So we will see you tomorrow at Vlogmas Day 9. And then we'll get close into the teens. And then I'll probably do a video talking about these products. I already use the makeup, the the cleansing gel, the lipstick, and the mask. And then I have this, and I have to use the bubble bath. So I'll probably do a video talking about those products, and then you guys will get to understand. And if you guys are interested, I recommend you guys buy these things because since Sephora the most amazing stuff, and you know me already, like I am the type of person when it comes to buying makeup, like now I say there's nothing wrong going to Walmart to get makeup. I'm just saying like you can go like Sephora and say look online and it's something like this, because nowadays like if you go to a store and you're like what type of makeup you're looking for, what type of foundation, what type of makeup wipes, what type of lipstick, you know, something like that. So I want you guys to know, like, if you're somebody that's looking for something, I recommend going to Sephora's website, you download the app, and then you search, because that's where I get most of my stuff. from. And you know, there's a lot of things you can get from Sephora. A lot of things. Even those ones I was showing you with the kiwi and the other one, yeah, those things are amazing. And you can even go back to my channel and see them there. Okay, so I'm in this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias. I'll see you guys in the next one. All the vlogs I've done for you, you guys will see some of them maybe in January, and then the rest will be in February. Okay, because I was planning to do them in this month, and I had to do them for the other month, so you'll see them as well. Okay, so when I'm done this, I will be talking about respect. That's the only vlog I'll do. And then if there's anything else you guys want me to do, I will do. But for now, I'm doing the Sephora thing. So I won't be doing any more vlogs except for these. Okay? So I'm going to end this vlog here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye now.